Report of Gabriel Maiden, Saison, Mathematics, Visual Aids. Report of Gabi, project on Mathematics, Visual Aids. Okay, Gabi, start your reporting.
This is my presentation, my project in mathematics, factors, multiples, and multiplication. Factors means a whole number that can be divided exactly with a larger number. And multiple means a number into which a smaller can go an exact number of times. And the objectives of the lesson are: identify factors of a given number up to 100. Identify multiples of a given number up to 100.
Examples.
Examples are 1 times 8 equals 8. 8 is a product of 1 and 8. 1 and 8 are factors of 8. And this
Another
one is
example.
This one is an example of multiples. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 3s equals 6. 6 is the multiple of 3. This one is multiplication. Multiplication is the topic of how to multiply. The objective of the lesson is multiply 3 digits number by 2 digits number.
Example.
Example is Mary has 12 boxes of beads.
Nasa mo, Gabi?
Each box contains 175 beads. How many beads does Mary have altogether?
So,
175 times 12 equals 2,100.
okay. Oh, what are other examples? Show us the solution. Oh, what's that problem? What are the factors of 12? Oh. Discuss mo Gabi, habang habang sinusulat mo yung sagot.
The factors of 12 are
Kasan mo?
4 and 3.
How that happened? Gabi, explain.
Because if you count it, 4 plus 4, 4 3s, it's equal to 12.
Next, multiples. What are the multiples of 18? Oh, so there is the solution. Explain.
6 3s are equal to 18.
How does it happen?
Because when you count it, 6 times 3 equals to 18.
Next, another example. Open.